What's good? It's the kid from the middle of the map. That's where I'm at. I'm out here basking in this cold weather, y'all. Why? Because I needs to speak to you. I need you to understand that we gonna talk about a question that's probably on your mind. How much does it cost to grow your own food? Since numbers and stats can be a little hectic, I figure I'll just relax. You relax. We just have a quick conversation and we move about this and get you set up to start your hyperlocal growing adventure. Because I know that you'll be surprised at how affordable and rewarding this can be. So, to start things off, did you know that according to the National Gardening Association, the average cost to start growing your own food is around $70? Hyperlocal growing does not have to break the bank. And today, we're going to dive in, discuss that with some statistics, studies, and numbers. So, how much does it really cost to grow your own food? The good news is you don't need a massive budget to start. In fact, hyperlocal growing can be cost effective, the most cost effective way to fill your plate with fresh, nutritious produce. So, the first thing you want to do is you want to start by investing in essential, cost effective gardening tools. And according to a study by the University of Maryland Extension, basic gardening tools can cost as little as $50 for a quality set. Then you want to think about how you're going to grow seeds or seedlings. And when it comes to seeds and seedlings, you have plenty of options. According to USDA, the average cost of a packet of vegetable seeds is around $2.50. You can buy seeds inexpensively and start from scratch, or you can pick up plants from a local nursery and save time. I'll also give you a couple of links to places that you can get some great seeds as well. So consider, how do you want to grow? Container gardening, in-ground? If space is a concern, consider container gardening. At the American Horticultural Society, they estimate that container gardening can cost 25% less than traditional in-ground gardening. It's budget friendly and perfect for small spaces like patios, balconies, places like that. So some tips, you want to make your budget stretch further and plan your garden wisely. And according to a survey by the Home Garden Seed Association, focusing on growing crops you frequently consume not only saves money but also reduces waste. So in conclusion, how much does it cost to grow your own food? As you can see, it's more affordable than you think. So stay tuned in the next video where we'll explore whether growing your own food is worth it. Spoiler alert, it absolutely is, as always. So feel free to let me know if you have any other preferences or if you'd like to adjust anything. You have any other questions or how you can adjust numbers and things, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Also, links below to my homegirl who has an amazing seed shop. She's also in the middle of the map. She's got a great selection of seeds, affordable, and some that will create some of the best produce that you've ever had. Is this sponsored? Hell no. Do I like supporting those that support me? Of course. And that's what I'm going to do. Because when I support those that support me, then we support you, you support us. We keep it all in the mix of positivity and great health. So y'all know what it is. Y'all know who it is. You know where I'm at. And you know what I do. Because I got love for those. Why was my voice so high? I got love for those who got love for me. Much love from the middle of the map. That's where I'm at. Hey, yo, when you eat good, you sleep good. Two of these, partner. Peace.
Be sure to click on the description below to get 20% off the Hyperlocal Grower course. This offer is only good from March 8th through March 14th, 2024. Click the link now to get 20% off the pre-sale price, and we'll see you in the course soon.